The first thing that we want to know is bile flowing correctly? Is it coming down, or has it become too thick and sticky to flow correctly? If it has, we need to take steps to thin it out so that it can flow, and then we can have both sides of digestion working correctly. Another thing is, has the gallbladder already been removed? If it's already been removed, a person can still have bile flowing down here from the liver, but it's not being stored, so you don't get that bolus of bile that comes down once the acidic product leaves there. So sometimes it's not enough bile to really neutralize those acids. Some people need to use ox bile to help neutralize those acids, and some people, when they have their gallbladder removed, they just do fine. Everything works okay because it seems that enough bile is still flowing down here. It kind of trickles down all the time, but enough is coming into the intestinal tract to help it neutralize those acids and help us digest our food well enough. But a lot of people need to supplement with ox bile. It's really common to make a lot of mistakes when supplementing with ox bile, especially with the timing. Most people seem to be doing it the wrong way. So I'm going to put a link in the description below for our video on how to avoid ox bile mistakes. So if you've lost your gallbladder, that can be an important piece of information to you. That can help you understand how to use it in a way that's going to simulate proper digestion, the way that the body would want to digest food. But the next thing we need to look at is the stomach acidifying correctly? Because if it's not acidic enough, or maybe there's something in there neutralizing the acids, then we're going to have that reflux problem. But the steps that a lot of people take to fix reflux are to help the stomach acidify correctly. But if you acidify the stomach enough to trigger this LES valve to close, but the gallbladder's gone and there's not enough bile to neutralize these acids that are now going to leave here, then that can really create some chronic diarrhea problems. So you want to make sure, if you're going to look into steps to acidify the stomach correctly and you've lost your gallbladder, you really want to understand how to use ox bile the right way so that you can help neutralize those acids. But you can see that when it comes to digestion, everything really is connected. And everything, both sides really do need to work correctly for us to really properly digest our food. And when one side goes wrong, it can make the other side go wrong too. So it's hard to know really what caused what, but yeah, they can really be connected. Now, if everything that I just said just confused you more, then we have a totally free digestion course that can walk you through which aspects of digestion are not working correctly, and if so, what steps can I take to improve those. And we'll put the link to that totally free course in the description below the video so you can check that out.